I am Nash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and turn the bell on for notifications para you'll get notified every time I post. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I DIY my clothes. So what I usually do is I look for thrifted items or ukay-ukay and I edit it. I cut the clothes or sew it and para maging in-style siya. So what I usually do is pupunta lang ako sa H&M and Forever 21 to get some ideas and magtitingin na ulit ako sa thrift stores kung paano ko siya gagahin. Diba? Streetwise. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Bye! I have this oversized sweater that I don't wear because it's too big on me. So, what I wanted to do is to crop it. So first, you'll need a pair of scissors, your chosen oversized sweater, and a matching needle and thread. So what you want to do is to lay your sweater in a nice flat surface where you could work properly. Measure how long you want it to fall on your body. So fold it and where you want how long your sweater to be. Nice and flat so that when you cut it, there won't be abnormal seams, okay? So cut all the way to the ends. Do not throw away the leftover piece of the sweater. You need to get the smocked part at the underneath so that the seams of the sweater you're gonna wear will be neat because you're gonna use that. So start at the side parts and remove it properly. Be careful not to cut any smocked part. It's okay to cut excess fabric because you can fix that later by cleaning the cuts and also hiding it when you sew it all together with the cropped sweater part. Now you're done getting the smock part of the sweater. So what you want to do is to try to fit it and see how you want it to fall on your waist and cut it on how fitted you want the smock part to be. So me, I want that fit. And after that, stretch it so that the ends fall together and sew it with a matching collar. So now you're done with the smock part of the sweater. So what we want to do is to attach it all together to make one cute crop sweater. So the first step is to gather the sides, each sides of the sweater, because as you can see, the crop part is bigger than the smock part. So that's where you can make the effect of the sweater looking cute and in style. So as you can see what I'm doing in the video, I am trying to gather it with the pins overlapping until the desired size of the crop sweater is at the same size length of the smock part. So once you gather it with pins, make sure you gather it equally for the right side and the wrong side of the sweater. So now once you feel that they are at the same length, you need to sew the both pieces together. So when you sew it, you need to flip the smock part. So you need to sew the right sides together. Flip it so once it's sewn and you flip it again to where the right sides are together and not the wrong side of the smock part is showing, okay? So now the sweater is done, both pieces are together, the smock part and the crop part of the sweater. Make sure there are no holes. If there is, you have to sew it again underneath. And now you can wear it. Yay!
Go uptown.